Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and I welcome you in a Bitrix24 CRM tutorial. In this tutorial, I will give you step-by-step guide how you can use the CRM so you'll know exactly how to use it. So let's start here. In the moment when you're gonna enter Bitrix24 and you're gonna create account, here you're gonna be you can have plenty of departments here. So task and projects, marketing, sites and stores, and you want to click here on CRM. When you're gonna be here, what we can find here, it can get a little bit overwhelming because how much stuff there is. So what you can do, I'm going to remove my camera now so you can see everything. So you can go and find the deals here, where you can simply find the plus button, but we're not going to add deals yet. You can find the inventory of product catalog, inventory management, customers, contacts, companies, contact center, sales as invoices, quotes, sales center, analytics as a sales funnel, employee performance scale, analytics. All the analytics you can find here. And then you can have also the add-ons that you can add: a telephony, web email, messenger, CRM forms, contact center, app market, and then also more here. You can configure it, etc. So here we're gonna start first with adding the customers and adding the companies and contacts. So when you're gonna click here, let's say for contacts, you can simply click here and click add. Now I can have the salutation name. Let's say it's going to be Marcus Contact. Then I can add a date of birth, position, phone number, email, website, messenger, and also the company name. So I can simply add a contact company, can be, let's say, BMW. Create new company, and you can always also edit everything for the company's email address details, right? So, and this is how we're adding the client. Then we have the contact type, if it's a client, supplier, partner, and source, like how did we acquire this client, if it's an email, website, advertising. So it can be, let's say, cold calling or sales boost, online store. You choose it right here. Then you can have the source information and the comment. Now, when you're gonna have everything here, and when you would like fill it out for your contact, you would click save. So we have the contact right now. In our contact, we have the contact company, and this is like the basics of comment and like finding the tasks here. And then next to your contact, you can have the invoices. I need to upgrade for it, so I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to click on the contact again here, and I can simply click here on tasks. So right now I can have a task, call this client, or like, let's say, prepare a deal for this client, prepare a presentation for this client, and I can easily have responsible person, deadline. And then you can have things like you can add it to project. So I'm going to also create a tutorial how you can use it for project management, the Bitrix24, and you can simply add a project here, a CRM, subtask of tax, all of that. And then what you can do, you can simply click here, add a task, right? Then I can simply go further and have a deals here, but I'm not going to add directly deals here. So I want to show you how we can add a deals in a main menu, but you can have like quotes here, also dependencies. So the contact is connected to BMW, and here pretty much how we can add the tasks and like SMS, the email, the Zoom, or you can have also the meeting here. So you can directly add in a contact everything what you need, right? So you can go to more and click meeting, and then have like a today, meeting subject, location, with, and that's how we can do it. Now I can go back, and when we click here to customers, to contacts, I can go to companies, and I can find directly here the BMW that we created. You can of course create new company right here. So then you can have also to have inventory as a product catalog. And you can so like easily add a product here. So I'll create a product, So now let's say it's going to be selling pictures, and then product visibility. You can have properties here and adding a sections if you want, and then you're gonna have the more pictures. So I'm going to add, let's say like here, and you can add a barcode to it, and you can also add a variance. So when I have it, I will click simply save here, and I just wait until it loads. And then we will have our own product. Okay, here we are. And voila. So here we have the product catalog. And you can always click here for inventory management. And you can like enable it and use it if you want. And then when you got it, you can also click here on deals. And in the deals, you can have option between Kanban, list, and calendar. So let's say we have the Kanban right now. And when you're going to be here, you can simply click add the deal. And you can simply add a deal. So I will add deal with BMW. Now I'm going to change the amount of currency. Let's say it's going to be 5,000. You can change the currency here. Then stage, if it's a create papers, invoice, in progress, final invoice, deal won, deal lost, you're going to choose the stage right here. Then the end date. Then you're going to have the contact here, name, email, and phone number. And then we're going to have also, like this is the client. Then we can choose a company here. So we would first add a name, that a client that we added, and also with the company and everything. So then we're going to have the deal type here. If it's a sales, integrated sales, merchandise, and also the source here. So website, advertising, existing client, online store, and then source information here. So then you're going to have also like responsible for, who is responsible for it, and you can also add an observer, let's say a team member. Now when you go further, you're going to have also option to have a product. So we can have select field and have a product here. And then if it's a recurring deal or no. So that's another thing what you can have. And now when you're going to add your own deal here, you're going to click save next to cancel. And here you're going to see, okay, we have the deal. We are in an invoice. You can have in progress, final invoice, close deal. We can click here on products. And we can choose the product and also have also the price here and everything. Then we're going to have the quotes that we can add directly on the bill. Then also the automation that we can have. So if you want me to create the automation tutorial, let me down in the comments below and I will create the automation too. Then you can have the invoices, also dependencies, the market with applications that you can integrate with, and you can configure the menu also. So in the quote, I can simply click quote here, and it's like really similar comparing to invoices, but I don't have the account for it. And then I click save here. So in the moment when you're gonna have your own Bitrix24 CRM deal here, you can simply move it, right? Like this. And you can always, when you're gonna have it if it's a deal won, or analyze failure, deal lost, or deleted. And you can always click here and add it directly. You can have it as a list here. And you're always gonna find a stage here or a calendar. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. So this is how you can simply use the Bitrix24 and for the CRM. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.